Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens. In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to add the star symbol to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code. So we'll start here by creating a new Markdown cell, and here we'll add in star symbol, followed by the LaTeX code here, which is a backslash, followed by lowercase star. And to actually show this symbol in a Markdown cell for Jupyter Notebook, we need to add $2 symbols before the LaTeX code, as well as $2 symbols after the LaTeX code. So when we run this cell now, we have the star symbol here, center in the middle of the Markdown cell. So this is how to add a star symbol to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content, and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.